Yes?
The National Weather Service has issued severe
560. Oh, it's actually 560.
Nebraska, Butler, Cass, Lancaster,
360.
Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch.
Here we go, Duchess.
Favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 560 has been issued until 4 a.m.
360.
Wednesday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Odo, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
Wow, all the counties, right? That's right, Tom.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Lincoln area. The rest of tonight, mostly cloudy.
57.
560.
Thunderstorms until midnight.
560.
Nine.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Locally heavy rainfall possible after midnight. Lows in the upper 60s. East winds around 5
I
miles
see
an hour.
559.
Coming northeast after midnight.
They haven't updated
Chance
it.
of rain
Yeah.
80%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely, mainly in the morning. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the morning. Not as warm with highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 10 to 15. Wednesday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Mostly cloudy with the showers.
Yep, Ken says.
Yeah, look at Kansas. That's right.
Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then clearing. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Oh, that's right, 560.
Partly cloudy.
That's right, 560 until 4 a.m. Till 4 o'clock in the morning.
So they're expecting it to be a slow one, huh?
Yeah. Oh, Mom?
What?
I did film what kind of watch? Severe thunderstorm
Watch. I don't know.
number 5. Number what, Mom? Number 5
5,
6
6,
0
0.
And-
560
until 4
M.
in the morning, Wednesday.
Okay. Now, will you leave me alone
Okay.
right now? I'm trying to do my dinner right now.
So this is a compilation number 20.
24.
Yes. And probably doing a live stream. So I'll stop the video. We'll do some more EAS compilations.
You gotta get it.
Probably a severe thunderstorm warning or flash flood warning. What's so that mean said?
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
We'll see you in the next,
Next one, okay.
and hopefully get some more. What's so that mean said? What's so that said?
I don't know, Jeffrey.
Let's see in the video. And end it right here. End the video right here.
Yes.
Want to say now in the video?
What?
To say that.
That's it.
That's it for the severe thunderstorm watch number 560 until 4 a.m. for my county,
Okay. What county are you in?
Lancaster. So that being said, that's it.
That's it.
We'll see you in the next one. That's a doorbell chime.
I know. I accidentally turned it on by accident. Just let me get my stuff, my food done, okay? Do you mind?
Yeah. So that being said, end of the video.
Jeffrey, I got 7 minutes, will you please?
Excuse me. So that being said, end of the video. Well, we'll see you in the next one.
Okay, I'll see you in the next one.
Say that's it.
That's it.
Oh boy. Let's turn it up.
The National Weather Service in Omaha issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Warren Mills County in northwestern Iowa, Ottawa County in southwestern Iowa, Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, western Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, Southeastern Valley, southeastern Washington County, eastern Douglas County until 12:15 p.m. 11:34 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line 2 miles west of Soldier and left at Council Bluffs Airport around 11:50 p.m. Underwood, Neola, in person around 11:50. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha, Bellevue, Vermillion, Ralston, Lavista, Conroe, Missouri Valley, Logan, 37 and around 11:40 p.m. Council Bluffs, Alpha Air Force Base, Woodbine, Crescent, and Edmund Airfield around 11:40.
Oh my God. Oh no.
Gillette and Council Bluffs Airport around 11:50 p.m. Underwood, Colorado building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms.
Oh no! Breed tornadoes. That's not a good sign at all. Stay tuned for compilation number 25. Severe thunderstorm warning. It's for my county.
Western Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska. Western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 12:45 a.m. At 12 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located
At midnight.
extending from 6 miles southeast of Ceresco to 2 miles northwest of Wilbur, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, Waverly, Greenwood, Ruga, Allen,
Wow.
Holmes Lake Park, and Walton around 12:05 a.m. Hickman around 12:10 a.m. Eagle and Bennett around 12:15 a.m. Elmwood, First, and Murdoch around 12:20 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Louisville, Palmyra, Waving Water, and
Oh my God. Oh no.
this includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 399 and 426. to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Lancaster, and Odo.
Lancaster and Odo.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains
This is
in
compilation
effect
number
until
25.
12:15 a.m. for Northern Mills, Potawatomi, Eastern Harrison,
for the radio and
Western
TV.
Shelby, Repeating, a
Here it goes on the radio.
warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska. In effect until 12:15 a.m. for Northern Mills, Potawatomi, Southeastern Harrison.
Lead on.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County in southeastern Nebraska.
It's for my county. It's on the TV.
County in southeastern Nebraska until 12:45 a.m.
Here we go, everybody. This is for my county.
Thunderstorms were located along the line.
And it's on Ken Shemick.
45 this early Wednesday.
It's for my county.
Midnight, severe thunderstorms were located along a line
And it's on South Park.
6 miles southeast of Ceresco to 2 miles northwest of Wilbur, moving to the east at 40 miles per hour. The main threat with these thunderstorms continues to be 60-mile-per-hour winds. Severe thunderstorms near Lincoln, Waverly, Greenwood, Roca, Hallam, Sprague, Holmes Lake Park, and Walton around 12:05, Hickman around 12:10, Eagle and Bennett around 12:15, and Elmwood, Firth, Panama, and Murdoch around 12:20. So the latest is a severe thunderstorm warning that does include the Lincoln Metro, portions of Lancaster County, western Odo, and western Cass. We're looking at satellite radar right here. You can see a couple of severe weather polygons, including the Omaha and Lincoln areas.
Here we go. Ken. Let's listen to this Paul's voice. This is what this is for.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County.
Oh, this is for my
in
county. It's
Nebraska,
AKA
Western
Lancaster
Odo
County.
in southeastern Nebraska, Western Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 12:45 a.m.
This is for my county.
12 a.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from.
So we did the 20
southeast of Ceresco
compilation
to
number
2
24.
miles
Now this
northwest
is
of Wilbur,
compilation number
at 40
25.
miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lincoln, Waverly, Greenwood, Roca, Hallam, Sprague, Holmes Lake Park, and Walton around 12:05 a.m. Hickman around 12:10 a.m. Eagle and Bennett around 12:15 a.m. Elmwood, Firth, Panama, and Murdoch around 12:20 a.m. Other locations in the past
Cass,
severe
Odo,
thunderstorms
and
include
Lancaster.
Louisville, Palmyra, Weeping Water, and Douglas. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 399 and 426. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Lancaster, and Odo.
Cass, Lancaster, and Odo.
just now